Perplexity and U.com are both artificial intelligence-powered research assistants, but they approach the job in different ways. The core purpose of both is to help you find answers quickly, summarize information, and explore topics without digging through endless search results. But their personalities and workflows are not the same, and those differences can matter depending on how you prefer to work. Perplexity focuses on delivering clear, sourced answers in a structured way. When you ask a question, it gathers information from multiple reliable sources and summarizes it in a clean response that reads almost like a well-written explanation. It also shows where the information came from, so you do not feel like you are guessing whether the answer is accurate. Perplexity is especially good for research tasks, such as academic topics, complex explanations, or anything where facts matter more than style. It also encourages follow-up questions, so conversations feel natural and curious rather than rushed. The tone is calm, direct, and thoughtful. If you want your research assistant to feel like a guide who takes clarity seriously, Perplexity fits that role well. It is less about browsing and more about understanding. U.com feels more like a customizable search companion. It lets you switch between different result styles, including summaries, browsing mode, or creative responses. You can choose whether you want search results, conversational explanation, or creative rewriting. It also gives more control over tone and personality. This makes U.com appealing for people who want flexibility and prefer to explore information rather than only receive a direct answer. It works well for brainstorming, drafting outlines, and creating written content where voice and expression matter. However, sometimes the results can feel less structured than Perplexity, especially when you need a straightforward answer for research or fact-checking. The choice between them depends on how you use a research assistant. If you value accuracy, clear sourcing, and a focused explanation style, Perplexity is likely the stronger match. It is excellent for learning, academic study, technical research, and thoughtful reading. If you prefer flexibility, creativity, and the ability to switch between browsing and summary modes, U.com may feel more enjoyable and adaptable. It allows more personality and experimentation in how you search and write. Both tools are helpful and intelligent. Perplexity feels like a knowledgeable guide. U.com feels like a customizable assistant that adjusts to your personality. The right choice depends on whether you want clarity and structure or variety and creative range.